Excuse me. Because clearly we need a moment of silence. Because I like hair, you did not have to come this hard, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. On this channel, I do a lot of hair, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. So if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. So the unit that I'm reviewing today comes from ILikeHair. I'm going to go ahead and install the wig for you, and then I'm going to come back at the end and I'm going to give you all the deets and how I felt about the wig. So make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end so that way you can hear all of what I think about this wig and if you should be adding it to your cart. excuse me, because clearly we need a moment of silence. Because I like hair, you did not have to come this hard, okay? I gotta zoom out because y'all gotta see all of this goodness, okay? So we have a kinky textured hair wig, but y'all, the edges are kinky. Do you see this? Like, do you see that? No product is on my edges right now. They're just looking very much so natural. They look like my hair. They look like my hair, okay? This wig is about to be in full rotation. I mean, honestly, probably not even rotation. I'm about to be rocking this wig until I can't rock it no more, okay? Like, I love this. This looks way too good. I need more of these in my cart, in my closet right now, adding them to my wig collection. I need this in a little bit of a longer length. I also need one in a bob length, so I'm coming for them. Do y'all see this natural vibe? This is everything. This hair, like, I legit have nothing bad to say about this entire wig. It is literal perfection. From the knots to the edges to quality of the hair, how thick it is, how long it is, these edges, the knots. I mean, like, there's nothing, no shedding, no tangling. It straightens perfectly. It's big enough. It's everything, legit everything. It installed so easily that I was shook at how easy this wig installed. Not to forget the versatility, okay? I went with the side part today, which I know y'all, that's different for me, but you could do middle too, which, you know, I'm gonna be putting this in the middle part very soon. But honey, I love this. I love all of this. I love all of this. If y'all don't have one of these wigs in your closet right now, please go ahead and click the link in my bio. Go ahead and click that link in my description bar and get you one of these wigs, because I promise you, you're gonna love it. You are gonna love it. You are gonna love it. You're gonna love it. That's literally all I gotta say, and that's where I'm ending it at. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to ILikeHair for sending over this unit. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.